Parallel and perpendicular lines. Thinking and communication question. C8. The lines 2x minus ay equals to 5 is perpendicular to the line 3x minus by equals to 4. Explain how will you find coefficients of a and b. Determine their values. Oh my god, this is very difficult. Now how to do it? Now we have two lines. One is 2x minus ay equals to 5 and the other one is 3x minus by equals to 4. Now these two lines are perpendicular. If they are perpendicular, then their slopes should be negative reciprocal, correct? So what is the slope of this line? To find the slope of this line, what we should do is we can take all these terms to the other side. So easy way for me is I'll take ay to the other side. It's already negative, right? So I'll write this as ay is equals to remaining 2x here minus 5, correct? And now y equals to 2 divided by ax minus 5. So the slope of this line is 2 over a. Now we'll do the same thing here. So from here we can isolate y, correct? To isolate y, we can write by equals to 3x minus 4, correct? Now we'll divide by b and say y equals to 3 over bx minus 4. So we got both the equations now in slope and intercept form, correct? Now what is slope of this line? Let me call this as m1. m1 is equals to 2 over a. And what is m2? m2 is 3 over b. Now we know that these lines are perpendicular. Now if they are perpendicular, then what should be the value of a and b? That is a big question. How to find this value, correct? Now that's a huge problem. So think about it and let me know. Okay, and I will also try to give my answer some way or the other. Now a couple of ways we can do it. One, let us think like this. If we multiply these two things, we should get minus 1. That is one way of doing it, right? So when we multiply m1 and m2, we should get minus 1. So what we are trying to say is the strategy number 1 we are using, that the lines are perpendicular. So that is the sign for perpendicular lines. Then that means that m1 times m2 should be equal to minus 1. This is one thing. Or we say they are negative reciprocal of one another, right? And the other way of looking into it is that they are negative reciprocal, right? So either way we can try to solve the question. So let's try to do some way or the other. So 2 over a and 3 over b. So let's think like this. If 3 over b is one slope, then what is the negative reciprocal of this? Negative reciprocal of perpendicular to m2 will be, let me write like this, m2 perpendicular, okay, should be negative of this and b over 3. Negative of this and b over 3. Okay, so that is a line perpendicular to this line, but we are given that 2 over a is also perpendicular. That means what? Let's compare them. Okay, in that case minus b should be equal to 2. So okay, so minus b equals to 2. Let's compare these two, okay? And a equals to 3 and a equals to 3. Then it works out, correct? Or we say b equals to minus 2 and a equals to 3. That works out. Fine, let's check. If I write a as 3, what do I get here? I get 2 over 3. Let me write a as 3, okay? I'm replacing. Then I get 2 over 3. And let me write b as minus 2. Then what do I get? I get 3 over minus 2. Correct. So 2 over 3 and 3 over minus 2, it works. Do you see that? It works. Therefore, one possible answer is a equals to 3 and b equals to minus 2. Do you get it? So our answer is, let me write it down very clearly here. I hope you understand how I was trying to explain you? If not, then go through it once again. So A is equals to 3 for us and B is equals to minus 2 for us.